It is 6:43 new this morning. A rare occurrence happening at the University of Cincinnati. Several black doctors in different kinds of medicine, but at the same facility, getting some very competitive grants in high numbers. WCPO 9 News reporter Raven Richard joins us live with more on this unique honor here in the tri-state for these doctors. Good morning, Raven.
Good morning. So across the nation, only about 3% of recipients of the National Institutes of Health's Career Development Awards go to African Americans, but here at UC, about a third of the recipients are actually Black. Dr. Holly Jones.
Stress as it relates to health outcomes.
Dr. Latrice Montgomery.
Focuses on both marijuana and tobacco use.
Dr. Laura Nguyen.
My focus is on neurotrauma.
Dr. Donald Lynch.
Improving outcomes for patients that have blockages of the aortic valve.
And Dr. SENU APEWOKIN.
To study C. difficile and how they develop in these patient populations.
Are all very different doctors, but they all have a National Institutes of Health's K Award or grants for research.
There are roughly about between 14 and 15, total grants of this kind here in University of Cincinnati, and 5 of them are Black investigators.
Compare that to the national numbers.
There's only 2.4 to 3.6 of the K awardees across the country that are actually Black.
That's well below the percentage at UC. A possible reason:
there's the support here and the mentorship from other faculty.
They're all trying to make a difference in their field of study and their own community.
When you have African Americans in particular who are studying those issues, I think it particularly adds to the value, especially when you're talking about connecting with the community.
Underrepresented minorities as part of academic faculty across the country is still, 7% or less.
I think about the people that I hope I will help. And, it keeps you going.
All right, and these grants do last for several years, and each amount of the grants, well, they actually vary. The goal of each of these doctors is to get the next level grant before this first one is complete. Reporting live at UC, I'm Raven Richard, WCPO 9 News.